Absolute privilege, in defamation cases, refers to the fact that in certain circumstances, an individual is immune from liability for defamatory statements. Absolute privilege applies to statements made in certain contexts, or in certain venues, and is a complete defense. When absolute privilege applies to an individual's speech, it is irrelevant as to whether the defamatory speech was false, or what the speaker's intent was. Examples of situations where absolute privilege applies include statements made by judges, lawyers, and witnesses in court proceedings. Statements made by legislators during legislative proceedings. Statements made by government officials in the course of their duties,